Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. When we talk about the future of long-range travel, the 2026 Boeing 777X stands at the center of the conversation. This aircraft isn't only a new model, it represents Boeing's entire vision for what the next generation of large twin-engine jets should look like. Built as the successor to the very successful 777-300ER, the 777X takes everything airlines liked about the previous models and upgrades them with modern materials, smarter engineering, and improved passenger comfort. It's the largest and most advanced twin-engine commercial aircraft ever produced by Boeing, and understanding why it's such a big deal means looking at its technology, design, performance, and overall experience in full detail. One of the first things that grabs attention is the sheer size of the aircraft. The 777X's wingspan stretches so wide that it's actually longer than many airport gates can handle. Instead of redesigning airports around this aircraft, Boeing redesigned the aircraft itself. The 777X uses the world's first folding wingtips on a commercial airliner. While the main part of the wing is fixed, the outer tips, about 11 feet on each side, fold upward once the plane is on the ground. This allows the airplane to fit into standard gates designed for older 777 models. It's a simple idea but one that required strong engineering, advanced locking mechanisms, and fully automated safety systems to ensure the wingtips are always in the correct position before takeoff. In flight, the wings extend to their full span, giving the aircraft more lift, better fuel efficiency, and improved overall aerodynamic performance. These wings aren't just wide, they're highly advanced. Using carbon fiber reinforced composite materials, the wings are stronger and lighter than traditional aluminum designs. This allows them to flex more during flight, which reduces turbulence impacts and improves ride smoothness. The wing's overall shape is modeled with new aerodynamic tools that didn't exist when earlier 777 models were designed. The result is a wing that generates more lift with less drag, meaning the aircraft can fly farther while burning less fuel. When combined with the aircraft's new engines, these wings make the 777X one of the most efficient wide-body jets in the world. At the heart of the aircraft's performance is the GE9X engine, the largest turbofan engine ever built for a passenger jet. To give you an idea of scale, the fan diameter is so large you could fit the fuselage of several small aircraft inside it. But size isn't the only impressive feature. The GE9X uses advanced materials such as ceramic matrix composites, heat-resistant materials that are lighter and stronger than metal. These help the engine run at hotter, more efficient temperatures without overheating. The fan blades themselves are made of carbon fiber, shaped for maximum efficiency, and fewer in number compared to older engine designs. All of these upgrades help reduce fuel burn, lower emissions, and cut down on operational noise, making the aircraft quieter inside and outside. Now let's talk about the aircraft's performance and capabilities. The 777X family includes the 777-8 and the larger 777-9. The 777-9, which is expected to be the flagship variant, is designed to carry around 400 or more passengers, depending on how airlines configure the seats. Despite its size, the aircraft is built to be extremely long-range, capable of flying some of the world's longest commercial routes. Whether it's crossing the Pacific, connecting the Middle East to the Americas, or linking Europe with Australia, the 777X gives airlines more flexibility to operate ultra-long-haul flights non-stop. At the same time, the aircraft's improved fuel efficiency helps airlines reduce costs. On flights of any length, which is especially important as fuel remains one of the biggest expenses in aviation. Efficiency extends beyond fuel burn. Boeing redesigned parts of the fuselage, improved aerodynamics, and used lighter materials wherever possible to keep the aircraft's weight low without compromising safety. The use of composite materials, new alloys, and advanced manufacturing techniques allows the 777X to be lighter than the earlier 777 generation while offering more space and better performance. Even the landing gear has been upgraded to handle the aircraft's weight and size with smoother takeoff and landing characteristics. Inside the cabin, the passenger experience has been transformed. Boeing wants the 777X to offer the comfort of the 787 Dreamliner combined with the spaciousness of the original 777. One of the first features that passengers will notice is the size of the windows. They're larger, positioned higher on the cabin walls, and use electronic dimming instead of mechanical shades. This helps maintain natural light without letting in harsh glare. The LED lighting system inside the cabin is highly customizable, allowing airlines to create sunrise, sunset, or calm lighting that helps reduce jet lag on very long flights. The cabin pressure and humidity levels have also been improved. While the aircraft's fuselage still uses metal for much of its structure, the internal environment is designed to make long flights less tiring. Better moisture levels mean passengers are less likely to experience dry skin and dry eyes, and improved pressurization reduces headaches and fatigue. These changes might seem minor, but they make a major difference on flights lasting 14 to 18 hours. Airlines will have greater flexibility in designing their seating layouts. Business class cabins can feature full-height suites with sliding doors, larger entertainment systems, and more storage space. Premium economy sections benefit from the wider fuselage, allowing more comfortable seat layouts. In economy, airlines can choose between 9 abreast or 10 abreast seating, depending on whether they want to prioritize comfort or maximize capacity. The overhead bins are larger, redesigned to hold more carry-on bags while still being easier to close and operate. The cabin walls are shaped to give a greater feeling of openness, making the aircraft feel less cramped even at full capacity. The flight deck, or cockpit, also receives major upgrades. Pilots get large touchscreen displays, improved flight management systems, and enhanced navigation tools. The avionics systems are built with more automation and better integration with modern air traffic control networks. The folding wingtips come with multiple layers of safety verification. The airplane automatically confirms the position of the wingtip locks before takeoff, and if anything is out of place, it alerts the pilots and prevents the takeoff until the issue is fixed. For airlines, the 777X is attractive because it offers a balance between size, efficiency, and flexibility. It can carry many passengers like older 4-engine jets but uses only 2 engines, greatly reducing fuel and maintenance costs. It can operate long-range flights without needing specially built airports due to its folding wings. And because it's more efficient per seat, airlines can use it to expand routes, improve profits, or offer more competitive ticket prices. Even though the aircraft faced delays in development, much of that time was spent on additional testing, redesign, and fine-tuning to meet global safety standards. Every new aircraft model must go through extreme testing, from freezing temperatures and desert heat to high-altitude environments, engine failure simulations, structural stress tests, and hundreds of automated checks. The 777X is no exception, and the final product reflects years of engineering refinement. Overall, the 2026 Boeing 777X isn't just a new plane. It's a combination of advanced engines, groundbreaking wings, smarter aerodynamics, refined passenger comfort, and long-distance performance that meets the future needs of global travel. It's a jet designed to handle massive demand, ultra-long distances, and environmental expectations, all while making flights smoother and more comfortable for travelers. Whether you're an aviation fan fascinated by engineering or a regular passenger curious about the future of flying, the 777X is shaping up to become one of the defining aircraft of this decade.